It's Rebecca from Safewise. Holidays have come early for those of us in the home security space. Today, AT&T launched AT&T Connected Life, which is a brand new home security system that uses Google Home cameras and professional monitoring from a Bode, which is one of my favorite systems already. I'll show you. It's the one I have. There's a little iota right there. It's the one I currently have up in my home. But let's take a look at this new system. AT&T Connected Life plus Google Home. They sent me the advanced kit. One thing for you to know is that right now I do believe it's only available to AT&T customers, which I am, which is great, and one of the reasons that I get to test it out. In the box, we get our security hub. The security hub is powered by a Bode, so you'll recognize the Bode symbol. It's straightforward a Bode security hub, which is awesome to use. And then they sent a bunch of security devices. I got 4 door and window sensors, which is plenty. Rule of thumb is that you always want to protect any of your basic floor level, ground level windows and doors that would make for easy entry by someone who's up to no good. My current apartment, I have 2 exterior doors and 2 exterior doors. In my current apartment, I have 2 exterior doors and 2 exterior windows, so this is the perfect amount for me. They also included 2 motion sensors. Motion sensors are great for hallways, entryways, any place where if you have a hallway with where the kids' bedrooms are. I used to have a townhouse, my kids' bedrooms were upstairs. This would be a great thing to have in that hallway, not only to catch potential burglars, but also to maybe check sneaky teenagers that are messing around. That's just my extra mom security advice. The great thing about the motion sensor is, so altogether here, 4 door and window sensors and 2 motion sensors. That really gives you 6 points of entry that you can keep an eye on, because you will get motion and alerts from any of these things. If you have more doors and windows on your ground floor than I do, or let's say you have a back deck or a patio that's up high where someone could enter, you might also want to have a motion sensor in that area that can do the same sort of job that a contact sensor would do. It really expands what you're able to protect. So you can have a keypad to arm and disarm, put in your safety code if you're having a false alarm, and control your system that way. They also provided the key fob. So this is a remote way that you can control, arm, and disarm the system. As always, you'll be able to use an app for that as well. Now, here's where the Google of it all comes in. The Google Nest Cam. This is the indoor-outdoor Nest Cam. It is battery powered, which is my favorite because the first Google Nest Cam I ever used had the biggest, thickest, longest, craziest heavy-duty cable wire I'd ever seen. It was unwieldy for me. I love the battery powered. Just remember to set reminders so that you check those batteries and replace them, because your camera's no good if your batteries run out. You also got the Nest doorbell, which is fantastic. You can again have 2 points covered of outside, so you could use the doorbell at the front of your house and use the other camera as an outdoor cam on the back of your house. Wherever it is that you need protection, I really feel like this AT&T Connected Life system gives you everything you need to have full coverage for a pretty decent sized home. AT&T Connected Live with Google Home and a Bode professional monitoring is out today. I am going to be setting this up, so I will show you how to install it. Then we'll be watching how it operates out in the wild, so we'll let you know how well we think it works. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.